Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So uHugo Bros usekhiphe isquad sakhe seBafana Bafana azohamba ayodlala ngaso against iLesotho, idlale futhi against iNigeria. Ama games azoyibaluleke kakhulu ke lawa for iBafana Bafana bafethu because siyafuna uqualify for iWorld Cup ezodlalwa next year ezodlalwa eUSA. Umdlalo wokuqala mlandile bafethu siyamazi ke South Africa's #1 currently but ke umjida ngathi uzosusa uSipho Chain. Uyeza uSipho Chain uza kwihlalo sakhe uWilliams. Obvious bafethu uWilliams uyena captain weBafana Bafana besazi vele usuzokhethwa. Sipho Chain ulandiwe bafethu omunye wogoalkeeper lo bafethu abayimisele ngempela. Ricardo Gosi ke bafethu uHugo Bros since afika nje umjida uyamthanda ngempela indlela avimba ngakhona ubiziwe naye. So ogoalkeeper abathatha ababiziwe Sipho Chain, Williams and Ricardo Gosi. Angitshela ngalobo goalkeeper labo, do you think bakhona abanye ogoalkeeper bengabizwa? I think labo goalkeeper ababiziwe mfethu ba standard nje into esijwayele yabo, alukho litheni olishintshile bayavimba mfethu, nothing new. Maseza ama defender bafethu Hugo Bros ulande ba uSydney Mobi, siyamazi uSydney Mobi bafethu ade aqala ukulandwa ucoach, ade baqala umlando umjida angazi yini engaka but ke umjida ulandiwe yabo. Zuko Mdunyelo bafethu umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns odlala kahle ngempela nje kule season isaqalile nje umjida ungimpresse ngempela evala ezicathuluzo kaMdawu nje obengekho currently umjida udlala kahle ngempela for iMamelodi Sundowns. I vouch for this guy to be the next star player yeMamelodi Sundowns. Umjida uyadlala kule position ye right wing back. The youngster bafethu uMbekezile Mbokazi ubiziwe naye bafethu. Abantu abaningi yade bekhala bethi why uMbekezile Mbokazi engahambanga eyodlala neBafana Bafana under 20. Umjida ke ubizwe uHugo Bros. Hugo Bros ubona umkhulu umsebenzi azowenza kuBafana Bafana then playing kwi under 20 World Cup. This guy is a senior player, captain for Orlando Pirates currently. He will be representing iBafana Bafana kuyodlalwa le kuma World Cup qualifiers. Modiba bafethu umjida na ubiziwe kuAubrey Modiba, mdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns currently umjida angidlaleli kahle yabo but ke unaso isikhala sakhe kuBafana Bafana. KwiBafana Bafana unaso isikhala umjida ade aqala ukudlalela iBafana Bafana, Hugo Bros ade aqala ukumbiza. Into engithanda ngoHugo Bros une loyalty kuma players akhe ajwayele ukwabiza. Yonke esengina isise kakhulu and leyo nto iyamsebenzela kakhulu. Lento yokushintsha kakhulu isquad iyonke ebulela ama national teams. The more you keep on changing the core players of the squad, that is how isquad sifa kanjalo isquad. If you look at Man United right now, they are not doing well because each and every 2 seasons they change the coach and they change i-core. Ukushintsha kwe-core ukushintsha kwe-team indlela edlala ngakhona, and mina ngahlali ne-core eyodwa kuya phambili uzokwazi ukuthi ube ne-team strong. Kumele u-integrate those new players. Yabo nje oZuko Mdunyela befika right now bazo-integrate. Mbokazi nje abefika right now bazo-integrate ukuthi babilo obadlala bazodlala iBafana Bafana in the future. Ndamana bafethu uTS Galaxy umjida uyadlala ngempela ubiziwe na ubizwe uHugo Bros. Umjida ke ulinked with iMamelodi Sundowns but ke currently he'll be playing for iTS Galaxy le season le. Ime Okon, the Nigerian South African player bafethu. Controversy but ke umjida currently he is a South African. Currently he's playing in Germany if I'm not mistaken. Umjida na ubiziwe ubizwe uHugo Bros. Yabo uzobe represent iBafana Bafana. Ngifuna ukumbona nje sedlala against his countryside iNigeria lapha. Ime Okon yasizwa nje nesibongo negama Ime Okon. Sanele bafethu umjida ke bafethu naye bedlalela iTS Galaxy, the former Orlando Pirates DDC Products. Umjida udlala le right now, I think udlala le Norway if I'm not mistaken, kule country le ya Haaland. Yabo umjida udlala khona right now currently. He's a good center back lo mjida bafethu Sanele. So I'm looking forward to see uKabini bafethu benombokazi lapha behleli bow2 center back pairing. We'll never know. Mhlawumbe uyena uzoqala, mhlawumbe uzoqala omunye. Ngezana is another player ubiziwe bafethu. Ngezana is doing very very well le eRomania. He's doing well eRomania ubiziwe umjida. So yeah, it's a good thing yenziwa uHugo Bros. So kuma defenders, for me kuma defenders I'm a bit skeptical because if you look at these defenders akusiwana ama defenders abejwayele ukudlala ndawonye kwisquad seBafana Bafana. Yabo, if you look at these center back pairings because siyajwayele uMvala, sijwayele uKekana, yabo sijwayele uSibisi, abekho bonke lo badlali. So it will be very 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 strange ukubabona mfethu ukuthi bazodlala kanjani against ukuthi bazobastopha kanjani oNigeria, but I trust uMbokazi ukuthi he'll put on a show uzokwazi ukubastopha. yabo ayiso wish nje uzokwazi ukudlala ne-center back ezokwazi ukomplementana ungezana. Asiza kuma-midfielders bafethu ama-midfielders khona uTebogo Mokoena obviously-ke siyazi uTebogo Mokoena ubezobizwa. This is an obvious decision eyenziwa uHugo Broos. Umchita currently i-team yakhe ayidlali kahle currently yabo, but-ke Bafana uhlezi ezofika asinikeze i-performance esiyidingayo. Sayifuna ukuyibona leya performance asinikeza yona kwi-AFCON nje yokugcina sadinga ukuyibona i-performance yakhe mfethu uTebogo Mokoena. We need to go to i-World Cup, we need to qualify for World Cup. Currently we are number 1 kwi-table lama-qualifiers. Njengoba number 1 nje kumele sihlale lapha ezephele lama-qualifier. Look Leroux bafethu ubiziwe na umchita udlala kamnandi mfethu. Currently udlala le-England yabo, udlala kule team edlala kwi-championship. Isixwembe bafethu sibiziwe bathi uSobhasi-ke umdlali lo for me ongalitholi kakhulu ithuba kwi-Sundowns. I think umchita kumele abuye alithola ithuba kwi-Sundowns. He was very very good lo mchita last season. I don't know why Sundowns engamdlalisi lo mchita. This guy is a perfect player. I don't know. Miguel Cardoso is a fraud. You have good players abanje ngoMathusi Obhasi. Bathusi Obhasi angeke mfethu ahlalise uAlende mfethu bench. uAlende ayikho into ayenzayo lapha eswini. But-ke that's a story for another day. For me lo mchita he is a good player. Yabo, njengoba ebiziwe nje Hugo Broos ubona likhulu kulo mchita. Yabo, that is what I like about Hugo Broos. He likes to keep his core players, his core team. He was very very instrumental ku-squad eBafana lo mchita lo. Ngosikhathi sadlala le ko-AFCON. Yabo, wesiza engena lapho esiza. Another player bafethu Talente Mbatha is another player naye osathana kufika kwi-squad seBafana but indlela sedlala ngakhona yabo usezakhile igama and usezenze wathanda uHugo Broos. So uHugo Broos uyathanda kakhulu ukuthi ambize umchita, which is a good thing. Yabo umchita uyadlala-ke currently, uyashisa bhe yena benoTebogo Mokoena eswini qinile. Team Thaqe nje loyo sidla abantu. But umuntu engikhala kakhulu mfethu ngaye mfethu Sithole mfethu. Ever since leya injury yakhe uSithole ayithola imfethu kusakuthi uthi simbone kuBafana but I think ku-AFCON sobe sinayo Sithole. Currently uSithole abizwanga bafethu usanesa leya injury leya ayithola ngosikhathi ebiziwe uHugo Broos yabo. Sibelebele bafethu ubiziwe umchita bafethu sibelebele, which is a no-brainer mfethu, which is a no-brainer. He was doing well umchita lo edlala le kwi-squad seCOSAFA. Look at him right now, he's playing kwi-main team yeBafana. I spoke about the squad seCOSAFA. Many people were saying labadlali laba basoze bayidlalele Bafana. But if you look at kwi-squad seCOSAFA right now, ubiziwe Ima Ocon was playing kwi-squad seCOSAFA. Sibelebele ubiziwe, he was playing kwi-squad seCOSAFA. Ukhona futhi omunye umdlali onizombona obiziwe obedlala kusona lesa squad seCOSAFA yabo. So iCOSAFA iyanikezana amathuba kuwena umdlali uthi alisebenzisa ithuba lakho yabo. Another player bafethu obiziwe Oswena Police is a talented player. When he's playing for Bafana you get to see ukuthi umchita ngempela udlala ngempela. Currently ku-Orlando Pirates, I haven't seen the best of him wearing an Orlando Pirates jersey, but I'm yet to see ukuthi umchita ngempela usiphatheleni. Not saying he's a bad player, but he's a good player. He's a good player, Oswena Police. Njengoba udlala nje kuBafana, I expect to see a lot of Oswena Police eswinisa lapha. Tito Maswanganya, another Orlando Pirates player bafethu ubiziwe naye bafethu. Njwana aziku uZwane usalimele currently. Njobe elimele uZwane currently ukhona uTito. Yabo. I think inyangithola lapho. Ikram Reyners bafethu ubiziwe striker sama-Mamelodi Sundowns lesi escora ngempela eshisa bhe. Another player ubiziwe uLyle Foster ulo mdlali loyo ongazi angazi. I don't know a lot about uLyle Foster. Yabo nje kuBurnley I don't usually watch Burnley, but nje I don't know a lot about this player. Yabo ukubizwa kwakhe mina kuya ngiyayi-question ukuthi ubizwa kanjani umchita, but-ke ubiziwe because ngikhumbula kahle siyodlala iAFCON enqabuko ubizwa noMduduzi Shabalala bafethu abantu abaningi yabo ade bemdoubt umchita uthi uyokabizwa uHugo Broos, but-ke uHugo Broos uyenzile i-call naye ubedlala kwi-squad seCOSAFA, which is a huge thing. Which is a huge thing. Yabo Mduduzi Shabalala currently is playing very well with Kaizer Chiefs. Umchita ubiziwe. Mhawunkota bafethu obvious ubezobizwa mfethu intwana mfethu ibizobizwa. CoComelon ibizobizwa. The last but not least, the South African star player bafethu Mofokeng currently naye ubiziwe Hugo Broos. Yabo isona squad ke lesesiphelele bafethu. Ungangitshela nje wena ukuthi ibapha abadlali la ngokubona kwakho abebengamelanga babizwe. ngokubona kwakho ibapha abadlali bengamele babizwe, ibapha abadlali bebedeserve i-chance. Wangitshela kuma comments bafethu, do you think le squad lesi sizosiza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola ama-point ayosiqualifyisa kwi-World Cup? You never know.